Good morning students. Today first I will discuss about the questions that is based on previous video. Question number 1. When you double click on the computer icon, the computer window appears. Second question. Clicking on disk cleanup button will open C drive dialog box. Next question. Press Windows plus R keys to open Run dialog box. Next, you can delete temp files in 5 ways. Will be false. Next question, press Ctrl plus A to select all the files in the folder. Will be true. What is an email spam? Answer, spamming is when one person or company sends an unwanted email to another person. Spam emails are the computer version of unwanted junk mail that arrives in a mailbox, such as advertising, pamphlets, and brochures. So students, today I am going to teach you entrepreneurial skills. First, I will discuss about what are entrepreneurial skills. Entrepreneurial skills can encompass a broad range of various skill sets like technical skills, leadership and business management skills, and creative thinking, because entrepreneurial skills can be applied to many different job roles and industries. Developing your entrepreneurial skills can mean developing several types of skill sets. For instance, to be a successful business owner, you may need to develop your business management skills. To build and maintain successful project teams, you might need to improve your leadership and communication skills. Examples of entrepreneurial skills. Entrepreneurial skills can encompass a large range of both soft and hard skills. Because of the many business roles entrepreneurs may take on, they may also develop a variety of different skill sets to accommodate the growth of their business and brands. So you can see here there are different types of entrepreneurial skills. First, business management skills, teamwork and leadership skills, communication and listening, customer service skills, financial skills, analytical and problem solving skills, critical thinking skills, strategic thinking and planning skills, technical skills, time management and organizational skills, branding, marketing and networking skills. Now, I will start from business management skills. Successful entrepreneurs will most often rely on their business skills to manage and run a business or brand. Developing your business management skills can mean building up your ability to multitask, delegate responsibilities to subordinate, and making decisions regarding the health and profitability of your business. Teamwork and leadership skills. Becoming a successful entrepreneur can also mean taking on leadership roles and working as part of a team. Being a business owner means you will most likely act as both a supervisor and as part of a team, and you will need to rely on effective leadership skills to help motivate your team. Next, communication and listening skills. Business owners and entrepreneurs should also develop effective communication skills, from active listening to discussions during meetings. Being able to communicate effectively can help you work with others to build your business. Likewise, effective communication can also translate to how you promote awareness of your brand. For instance, effective and clear messages through emails, content marketing, social media, and other advertising methods can positively influence how you reach your target market. Customer service skills. No matter the industry you venture into as an entrepreneur, you may still need to develop effective customer service skills. From talking with potential clients to discussing opening partnerships, effective customer service skills can help you connect with your customer base and ensure your brand is providing the products or services your market needs. Next, financial skills. You can develop financial skills by learning from a financial planner, reading financial guide books, and using financial software to help you organize and keep track of the financial processes in your business. Analytical and problem solving skills. Successful entrepreneur may also have exceptional analytical and problem solving skills. This is because there can be many aspects of building a brand or business that can require difficult decisions, finding solution to obstacle, and using creative thinking to develop plans and strategies that will help you achieve your business goals. Critical thinking skills. Critical thinking skills like analytical skills can be necessary for developing your overall entrepreneurial skills. Being able to look at problems, situations, projects, and operations from different perspectives can help in decision making and solving problems. Critical thinking skills can also be necessary for strategic planning and evaluating the approaches you are using so you can make changes or improve your business strategies as needed. Next, strategic thinking and planning skills. Critical thinking skills can also translate into strategic thinking skill. Entrepreneurs who have built brands and businesses most likely applied their strategic planning skills to develop strategies for growing and developing their businesses. To be successful as an entrepreneur takes planning, and being able to think strategically can allow you to find ways to beat out your competition, grow your market reach, or implement effective strategies to reach your goals. Next, technical skills. Because of the availability of software programs for financial analysis, planning, marketing, and other businesses processes, it can be extremely beneficial to develop your technical skills. Entrepreneurs with efficient technological skills can use software and other digital approaches for managing projects, tracking sales and revenue, and measuring the performance of business growth. Time management and organizational skills. Time management and organization are also important skills for entrepreneurs to have. Strategies that can help develop These skill sets include breaking down tasks into manageable to-do list and setting deadlines and achievable objectives for yourself and for your team. Additionally, you might implement technology to help keep businesses files organized or employ an office assistant to help you keep paperwork, business records, and customer files organized. Branding, marketing, and networking skills. Entrepreneurs may spend a majority of their time marketing and networking with other professionals to promote and grow their brands. Being able to implement successful branding and marketing strategies can be an essential aspect of becoming an entrepreneur. You might take a free online course to get started with branding and marketing basics, and you can also meet with other entrepreneurs to help grow your network. Next topic is entrepreneur. What is an entrepreneur? A person who sets up his or her business is called an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is someone who has an idea and who works to create a product or service that people will buy, or by building an organization to support those sales. In other words, an entrepreneur is the one who finds an opportunity and decides to pursue it regardless of the sources at their disposal. He or she sees what could be and finds a way to make it happen even if there is nothing in hand to do at the current moment. Being an entrepreneur usually means starting and building your own successful business. Although people with entrepreneurial skills can thrive within larger organizations too. Entrepreneurs generally take a creative, innovative approach, and they may take risks that others would avoid. Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is the ability and readiness to develop, organize, and run a business enterprise along with any of its uncertainties in order to make a profit. The most prominent example of entrepreneurship is the starting of new businesses. In economics connected with land, labor, natural resources, and capital can generate a profit. The entrepreneurial vision is defined by discovery and risk taking and is an indispensable part of a nation's capacity to succeed in an ever changing and more competitive global marketplace. In other words, we can say entrepreneurship is a process undertaken by the entrepreneur to create incremental value and wealth by discovering new investment opportunities, organizing enterprise, undertaking risk and uncertainty, and do something new in an effective manner to achieve certain goals. Entrepreneurship is a dynamic activity that helps the entrepreneur to bring changes and innovation in the process of production. Entrepreneurship comes from a French word entreprendre, which means individuals who are undertakers, those who take the risk of a new enterprise. What are the relationship between the society and entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is the act of creating a business or businesses while building and scaling it to generate a profit. In today's world, however, the scope of work has increased to include things done to transform the world around you, like initiating social changes and presenting life changing solutions to problems. A society, simply put, is a group of people living together in a community. Entrepreneurship and society. Entrepreneurs are the drivers of society. They contribute to things such as national employment, innovation, society building, community, economic development, etc. They provide opportunities that create social benefits for a community. They contribute to the welfare of society. Business is essential for the progress of a nation. A business person, apart from making money, also helps the society financially and socially. The country gets the financial benefits through the business carried out by entrepreneurs. In addition to creating wealth from their entrepreneurial ventures, they also create jobs and the conditions for a flourishing society. Next topic is qualities of an entrepreneur. What are the qualities of an entrepreneur? First, discipline. These individuals are focused on making their businesses work and eliminate any hindrance or distractions to their goals. They have overarching strategies and outline the tactics to accomplish them. Successful entrepreneurs are disciplined enough to take steps every day toward the achievement of their objectives. Next, confidence. They are confident with the knowledge that they will make their businesses succeed. They exude that confidence in everything they do. Open minded. Entrepreneurs realize that every event and situation is a business opportunity. Ideas are constantly being generated about workflows and efficiency, people, skills, and potential new businesses. They have the ability to look at everything around them and focus it toward their goals. Self starter. Entrepreneurs know that if something needs to be done, they should start it themselves. They set the parameters and make sure that projects follow that path. Next, competitive. Many companies are formed because an entrepreneur knows that they can do a job better than another. They need to win at the sports they play and need to win at the businesses that they create. An entrepreneur will highlight their own company's track record of success. Creativity. Entrepreneurs often come up with solutions which are the synthesis of other items. They will repurpose products to market them to new industries. Next, determination. They are determined to make all their endeavors succeed, so will try and try again until it does. Successful entrepreneurs do not believe that something cannot be done. Strong people skills. The entrepreneur has strong communication skills to sell the product and motivate employees. Most successful entrepreneurs know how to motivate their employees so the business grows overall. A strong work ethic. The successful entrepreneur will often be the first person to arrive at the office and the last one to leave. They will come in on their days off to make sure that an outcome meets their expectations. Their mind is constantly on their work, whether they are in or out of the workplace. Passion. Passion is the most important trait of the successful entrepreneur. They genuinely love their work. They are willing to put in those extra hours to make the business succeed because there is a joy their business gives which goes beyond the money. The successful entrepreneur will always be reading and researching ways to make the business better. Homework for today is, what are entrepreneurial skills? Next question, define entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. Next question, what is the relationship between entrepreneurship and society? Next question, give two qualities of an entrepreneur. Thank you.